Hi, I'm Jimmy, Experiential Learning Lead at the Skokie Public Library, and today I will be showing you how to use the Creativebug database. Creativebug is an amazing resource for anyone who is interested in exploring their creativity. The Creativebug database offers many classes on a number of different subjects, including sewing, do-it-yourself, DIY projects, cooking, scrapbooking, and more. Creativebug is the perfect resource if you have ever wanted to learn a new hobby, try new recipes, or sharpen some of your skills. The Creativebug database is available on the main library's website, skokielibrary.info. Hover the mouse over Resources and then click on Online Training and Tutorials. If you scroll about halfway down, you will find the link under Master a Craft. Click on the link, register with your library card, and explore. What will you learn today?